On today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to. Sorry, I didn't greet you guys. Hello. I want to show you how I missed my song "Feeling Good." A lot of you guys have been asking me how I got those clean, clear, and crispy vocals. Now I want to show you the secret. So, looking at the screen, I'll just tell you guys the first effect or plugin I want to put on my miso track or my chain is the tuner, like wave tune, pitch auto tune, just to make sure the sound is sounding not raw but feel like processed a little, but not taking away the performance of the artist. Then after I add my wave tuner, I liked wave tuner. Then I use Nectar. So I just use Nectar to add some warmth. Basically, it adds good warmth to the vocal actually. So when you click on learn, so it learns about your vocal. For instance, the song is playing right now. Things around me, I call them off. I find my peace. It is my time. Ain't got no worries on my mind. I let them go.
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling nice. No more toxic things around.
You see, it prepares a custom mix for you. So basically, yeah, that's what I did there, and I moved to my ozone. I like ozone a lot, just to create some. And so I cut off around the 2K region a little because I don't like that sound there. When I tried, what I did was like when I played it, for instance, when I play, let me loop this part. I'm feeling. So how do you know when you put in the frequency to the highest, you can listen to it to see or to hear if the frequency is kind of loud or noisy. So for instance, when you're trying to master the song, if for the missing stage the EQ is already like blasting already, that means that frequency is going to cause trouble. Then you cut it off a little. So I cut it for about minus 2.5 dB. I'm feeling good. Then I added a vintage compressor to it just to give it some gain for whatever frequency I've removed. Then the maximizer to just give it some weight. Then I added a normal EQ just to cut off some frequency I don't need. I'm feeling good. Exactly. Then I added a console EQ just to increase the brightness, reduce the low and the mid. That's how I get my vocals clean, clear, and precise. If you want me to send this music track states, just leave a comment below and I'll send it to you. See you there and bye bye. I'm feeling good. Oh, sorry. This song is already out. It's called Feeling Good by Efzo. Stream the song, support your boy, and share, subscribe, and like. Bye bye.